Beet juice is a rich, deep red drink that has gained a strong reputation as one of the most scientifically studied natural beverages for supporting heart and blood vessel health. Many professional athletes drink it before training sessions and major competitions because research suggests it can improve endurance and physical performance. Scientists across the world continue exploring how it influences blood flow, oxygen delivery, and the health of the circulatory system. It is also commonly recommended by many heart experts for people looking for natural ways to support healthy blood circulation and vascular function. What makes beet juice so remarkable is that its reputation isn't based on old traditions, popular trends, or clever advertising. Its ability to support healthy blood flow has been demonstrated repeatedly in scientific studies. Researchers have been able to observe measurable changes inside the body after people consume beet juice. Blood vessels often become more efficient, blood pressure may move toward healthier levels, and oxygen can be delivered more effectively to working muscles. But according to Dr. Williams, there's another fascinating detail that many people never learn. While beet juice is highly beneficial on its own, combining it with certain natural ingredients may make it even more effective. These ingredients work through different biological pathways, complementing beet juice instead of replacing it. Together, they can provide stronger support for healthy circulation than beet juice alone. Today, we're going to explore exactly how beet juice works inside the body and reveal 3 natural additions that may help unlock even greater benefits. To understand why scientists have devoted so much attention to beet juice, it's important to look at what happens after you drink it. Beets are naturally packed with dietary nitrates, compounds that are largely responsible for many of their circulation-supporting effects. Once these nitrates enter your body, they begin an impressive chain of biological events that ultimately helps improve blood flow throughout your entire circulatory system. Dr. Williams often explains that this process begins somewhere most people would never expect: the mouth. Friendly bacteria that naturally live on the surface of your tongue play a vital role in this process. These beneficial microbes convert dietary nitrates into compounds called nitrites. Without a healthy population of these bacteria, this important conversion becomes much less efficient. This is one reason why some researchers believe that regularly using powerful antibacterial mouthwash could reduce some of the cardiovascular benefits associated with nitrate-rich foods and drinks like beet juice. By eliminating too many of these helpful bacteria, the body may lose part of its ability to process dietary nitrates effectively. After the nitrites are swallowed, they continue moving through the digestive system. Inside the stomach, the acidic environment helps transform them into nitric oxide, one of the body's most important molecules for regulating healthy circulation. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful signaling molecule. Its main job is to tell the smooth muscles surrounding your blood vessels to relax. As those muscles loosen, the blood vessels widen, allowing blood to flow through them more freely and with less resistance. As circulation improves, blood pressure may become healthier, oxygen reaches body tissues more efficiently, and overall blood flow throughout the body can increase. This process becomes especially valuable as we grow older because blood vessels naturally become less flexible with age. Supporting healthy nitric oxide production may help the body maintain efficient circulation despite these normal age-related changes. One reason beet juice continues to stand out is that it improves circulation through a biological pathway that's different from many other natural approaches. This unique mechanism is exactly why researchers remain so interested in studying its potential benefits for heart health, physical performance, and healthy aging. Although nitric oxide may sound like a complicated scientific term, its role inside the body is incredibly important. Dr. Williams often describes it as one of the body's primary regulators of blood circulation, because every organ depends on a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to function properly. When nitric oxide levels increase, blood vessels become more relaxed, flexible, and responsive. This allows blood to move more smoothly throughout the circulatory system, helping oxygen and essential nutrients reach the organs and tissues that need them most. The advantages of better circulation go far beyond supporting the heart. Improved blood flow allows muscles to receive oxygen more efficiently during exercise, as well as everyday activities. The heart can pump blood with less effort, reducing stress on the cardiovascular system. The brain may also benefit from a more reliable oxygen supply, which can help support focus, alertness, and mental performance. At the same time, cells throughout the body receive nutrients more efficiently, helping promote overall energy and vitality. Another reason scientists continue studying beet juice is that its nitrate-based pathway can remain effective even as the body's own nitric oxide production naturally decreases over time. As people age, the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of blood vessels, often becomes less efficient at producing nitric oxide. This gradual decline can reduce the flexibility of blood vessels and contribute to poorer circulation. Beet juice offers a valuable advantage because it supplies dietary nitrates that the body can convert into nitric oxide through an alternative biological pathway. In other words, it helps make up for some of the natural changes that occur within the circulatory system as we get older. The growing body of scientific research surrounding regular beet juice consumption has produced encouraging findings, suggesting that this simple, natural drink may play an important role in supporting healthy circulation, cardiovascular wellness, physical performance, and overall healthy aging. Research has connected regular beet juice consumption with healthier blood pressure, better blood vessel function, improved endurance, and increased exercise performance. In several studies, participants experienced noticeable physiological improvements just a few hours after drinking it. Now that we've covered how beet juice naturally supports circulation, let's move on to the first ingredient that can make it even more effective: fresh lemon juice. It may seem like a basic addition, but there's solid science behind why it works so well. Dr. Williams explains that lemon juice helps support several key stages involved in the body's production of nitric oxide, allowing you to get even more from every glass of beet juice. One of its biggest advantages is the way it affects stomach acidity. As we discussed earlier, the nitrites created from dietary nitrates still need to go through another conversion inside the stomach before they become nitric oxide. This reaction happens most efficiently in an acidic environment. Fresh lemon juice is naturally rich in citric acid, which helps increase the acidity of the stomach. When it's mixed with beet juice, it creates conditions that may improve this conversion process, allowing the body to produce nitric oxide more efficiently. But lemon offers much more than just acidity. It's also packed with vitamin C, an important nutrient that helps protect nitric oxide after it's formed. Because nitric oxide is highly reactive, it can break down quickly inside the body. Vitamin C helps preserve its activity, allowing blood vessels to stay relaxed and flexible for a longer period. Vitamin C also plays an essential role in collagen production. Collagen is one of the main structural proteins that keeps blood vessel walls strong, healthy, and flexible. Supporting collagen formation helps blood vessels maintain their strength and proper function over time. Simply squeezing the juice of a fresh lemon into your beet juice not only gives the drink a brighter, fresher flavor, but may also increase its ability to support healthy circulation. The second ingredient Dr. Williams recommends is fresh ginger. While beet juice mainly works by encouraging blood vessels to widen, ginger supports another equally important part of circulation: the movement and quality of the blood itself. Together, they complement each other by improving circulation through different biological mechanisms. Healthy circulation isn't determined only by the size of your blood vessels. The way blood flows through them also matters. If blood becomes thicker or doesn't move efficiently, it has a harder time reaching the smallest vessels where oxygen and nutrients are delivered to tissues. Fresh ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols that help support healthy blood flow. These compounds can reduce excessive platelet clumping, helping blood move more smoothly throughout the circulatory system. As beet juice encourages blood vessels to open, ginger helps ensure that blood can travel through those widened pathways more efficiently. Ginger also provides powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Long-term inflammation can interfere with healthy blood vessel function and reduce how well blood vessels respond to the body's natural circulation signals. By helping reduce inflammation, ginger supports healthier blood vessels and improved vascular function. Another interesting benefit of fresh ginger is its gentle warming sensation. Many people notice a mild feeling of warmth after consuming it. This effect is linked to its natural thermogenic properties, which may promote additional blood vessel relaxation through pathways that work independently of nitric oxide. Because of these combined benefits, Dr. Williams often recommends adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root to a serving of beet juice. Fresh ginger generally contains higher amounts of its active compounds than dried ginger powder, while also giving the drink a refreshing, slightly spicy flavor. The third ingredient may be the most fascinating from a scientific perspective: raw cacao powder. This isn't the sweetened cocoa powder commonly found in desserts. Instead, it's pure raw cacao that still contains its naturally occurring flavonols. Most people would never think of mixing raw cacao with beet juice, but together they may form one of the most effective natural combinations for supporting healthy circulation. To understand why, it helps to look at what happens after nitric oxide has already been produced. When beet juice raises nitric oxide levels, it also stimulates the production of an important signaling molecule known as cyclic GMP. This molecule carries the message that tells the muscles surrounding blood vessels to stay relaxed, allowing the vessels to remain open and flexible. The challenge is that the body is constantly breaking down cyclic GMP through naturally occurring enzymes. As those enzymes work, the relaxation signal gradually fades. This is where raw cacao becomes especially valuable. Its natural flavonols, particularly epicatechin, help slow the breakdown of cyclic GMP. Put simply, beet juice helps create the signal that relaxes blood vessels, while raw cacao helps that signal remain active for longer. As a result, blood vessels may stay relaxed and responsive for an extended period. Raw cacao also offers another impressive advantage. It can encourage the body's own production of nitric oxide through endothelial pathways that are different from the nitrate pathway provided by beet juice. This creates a dual support system. Beet juice supplies dietary nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide, while raw cacao encourages the blood vessels themselves to produce even more nitric oxide naturally. In addition, raw cacao naturally contains magnesium and theobromine, two compounds that have been associated with healthy blood vessel function, relaxation, and overall cardiovascular support. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder to beet juice creates a rich, satisfying drink that may offer even greater support for healthy circulation and heart health. When fresh lemon juice, ginger, and raw cacao are combined with beet juice, they create a powerful blend that supports circulation from multiple directions. Dr. Williams often refers to this as layered circulatory support because each ingredient contributes its own unique benefits, working together to provide more comprehensive support than beet juice alone. Instead of doing the same job, each ingredient supports a different stage of the circulation process. That's what makes this combination so effective. Rather than competing with one another, they work together through separate biological pathways to provide broader support for healthy blood flow. Beet juice lays a foundation by supplying the natural dietary nitrates the body needs to produce nitric oxide. Fresh lemon juice helps improve the conversion of those compounds, while its vitamin C helps protect nitric oxide so it can remain active for longer. Ginger supports the smooth movement of blood and promotes healthy blood vessel function through its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Raw cacao helps extend the relaxing effects on blood vessels while also encouraging the body to produce additional nitric oxide through a completely different pathway. When all 4 ingredients are combined, they create a well-rounded approach to supporting vascular health. Blood vessels may become more flexible, circulation can improve, oxygen may be delivered more efficiently throughout the body, and cells may receive the nutrients they need more effectively. Many people who regularly include this drink in their routine report noticing warmer hands and feet, improved endurance during exercise, higher energy levels, and an overall feeling of better circulation. One of the most impressive things about this blend is how little overlap exists between its ingredients. Each one contributes something unique, creating a natural synergy that continues to attract the attention of researchers studying cardiovascular health. Even better, making this circulation-supporting drink is incredibly easy. According to Dr. Williams, success doesn't come from creating an overly complicated recipe. The real secret is consistency. Supporting healthy circulation naturally doesn't require expensive supplements, complicated wellness plans, or a cabinet full of products. What matters most is choosing quality ingredients and making them part of a healthy daily routine. To prepare the drink, start with approximately 200 to 250 milliliters of beet juice. Freshly juiced organic beets are the ideal choice because they naturally contain the highest amount of dietary nitrates. If fresh juice isn't available, a high-quality bottled beet juice without added sugar or unnecessary preservatives is also a good option. Next, squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon directly into the beet juice. Besides making the drink taste brighter and more refreshing, the lemon helps create favorable conditions for nitric oxide production. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root. Fresh ginger contains a higher concentration of active gingerols than dried ginger powder and provides the natural warming and circulation supporting benefits discussed earlier. Finish by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. Since cacao doesn't dissolve easily in liquid, blending or whisking the mixture thoroughly will create a smoother, more enjoyable drink. Many people are surprised by how well these flavors work together. The natural sweetness of beet juice pairs nicely with the fresh citrus flavor of lemon, the gentle kick of ginger, and the rich, earthy taste of raw cacao.